Welcome everyone. We have a different type of video for you guys. Today we're gonna do an unboxing. I just got this bag and I want to open it with you guys. So aside from the unboxing, I will also do like how many things you can fit in the bag and different ways to style the bag. So here we go. Let's open it up. Ooh. So cute. Louis Vuitton gives you a little thing here where you could write a special note for someone. Maybe I'll write a special note to myself. Okay, get rid of this ribbon. All right, here we go. Okay, and voila. Now, let's see. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. This is the back, the bottom, the sides, the front. Now, this is the updated version. They updated the zipper on this one. I guess they were having issues with it getting caught, but as you can see, a lot easier. The straps come inside the bag. It has a lining in the bag, black lining. The bag is in their classic canvas leather. This top, which is a really cute handle, it's just leather here. You have some leather features throughout, but yeah, this is the bag, and oh my god, like, have you guys ever seen anything as cute as this? Because I haven't. This is the cutest backpack I've ever seen. All right, so we have two straps, a small strap and a large strap. Now what you want to do is you want to grab the small strap with this little buckle thing up and put it, so it has different settings. I'm a petite girl, I'm 5 feet tall, so this smallest setting works for me. So basically, like, just clip it into the little grommets. It's a little hard, but yeah, that's good. And then it doesn't matter what way, you know, which way you decide. Oh, and then they have this little belt strap thing where you can secure the strap so it's not flying around. So let me just show you guys that. Just hook it back on that. So then you can hook it up to the bag. Now it doesn't matter because of this hardware, this swinging hardware. It doesn't matter, you know, what side you put it on. Like, let's say you want it on this side out or this side. You can adjust that, you know, as you go because of this swiveling hardware that they have. So yeah, you just attach it to the top, and then you attach the bottom to the bottom, and same for the other side. All right, so the bag is strapped in the classic way. I'll show you guys different ways to style this, but I want to show you what can fit in this bag. So I have my phone. This is the iPhone X10, so that fits well in there. It's a little wallet, Kenzo wallet. Tide pen. You never know when stuff is gonna go wrong. You need help with a stain. AirPods, my keys. Now they have organizers for this bag, and maybe I will get one of those, but see what fits for now. Sunglasses. These are mine. These are my daughter's. How cute, right? So those fit nicely in there. Sanitizer, always need sanitizer nowadays. Water, and there is actually a lot of room to spare in here. I think you can fold up a nice lightweight sweater and you're good to go. So as you can see, this zipper is just a lot smoother than what it was. I've heard a lot of people having issues with it, but now this little pocket here, that's just decorative. I don't know what you put in. You could actually put stuff in there. It has a little depth in there. You can fit anything, but opening this is so, not really opening it, but it is so tight here that it's hard. It might be something that you don't need to, you know, you don't need to have. You could just keep it there, keep it secure. Yeah, so adorable. I mean, so cute. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys different ways to style this on your body. All right, so here we have cutest bag ever. So you can wear it like this, just grab and go. So this is just another way. You can also wear it the classic way, the way that it is meant to be worn. So here we go, we're out. Cute. Now, what really sold me with this bag is the versatility. Because initially I was just, you know, like, oh, a backpack, like, when would I use that? But it really has a lot of ways to use it. All right, so here we're gonna take both straps, hook them up to one hook, and then the other end to the other top hook. So that's one. Could also use one strap, but I like the way it looks with both straps. It's a little chunkier look. Oops. So you can wear this like this. You can wear it over the shoulder or across the shoulder like this. Probably I would adjust this so it's a little bit lower, but there you go. You can also wear it cross. Yeah, it doesn't really change that much the look, but so then you keep the strap on the top and then you do it on a diagonal. So here you have it on the top and then diagonally across. So you can see it sits more on an angle like this. Okay, so I just had it in the front diagonally. You can see it in the back diagonally. So as you can see, you guys can play around with the straps and the placement of the straps and playing around with how you style it on your body. There's a lot of options you can do. But yeah, this is the unboxing and styling of the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. Oh god, the smell. I wish you guys could smell that brand new bag smell. Can't wait to wear this bag. Looking forward to warmer weather where I can bring this baby out. But here she is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.